Hello everyone, this is Gloria from Shanghai ACNTRUCK Enterprise Limited. Today we are in HELI factory and I will show you some HELI forklifts. Now come with me. Now here behind us is a HELI 3.5 tons diesel forklift CPCD35. Its rated capacity is 3.5 tons and the standard lifting height is 3 meters. But this forklift max lifting height is 4.5 meters because it is equipped with two-stage mast M450. So if you need the different size of the mast, we can also provide a different mast from 2 meters to 6 meters. Also, except the two-stage mast, we can also provide a three-stage mast. The fork length is 1,520 millimeters, and it is recommended to choose the side shift, which can help the driver to move the fork right and left. The tire type is Pneumatic tire, and we can also provide the solid tire for choice. Overhead guard has high strength and rigidity, which make it safer and stronger for the driver. And it equipped with wide field of view mast to improve driver's field of view. You can add a closed cabin and air conditioner if you need. Also, this forklift's protection level of electric system is improved and the electric parts adopts modular design. Above all is all content today. HELI forklifts have lower energy consumption and the easy maintenance. If you have the other construction machine needs, please contact me at any time. Thanks for listening. Bye.